Pandas utilize Numpy Vectorization in a user-defined function instead of using loop/lambda.apply. Objective: for every cell in vendor, I want to check if every word in the vendor's name exists in the names database. I.e. Adam and Smith must both exist to make isPerson equals true. I know that I can do this using lambda.apply and other ways, but all of them are loops based. I'd like to make this as fast and as efficient as possible, because I have 1.2 million rows. I've heard about Numpy Vectorization but not sure how to use it when I need to run some routine on the individual contents of each cell. Thanks.
Unfortunately, if working with strings in Numpy/Pandas always are loops under the hoods. Idea is create dataframe from split by whitespaces, forward filling last values, filter by eSheen and blast test if all trues per rows. Solution with sets. Performance depends of length of both data frames, number of unique values and number of matched values. So in real data should be different.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.